One police officer for Kenya don dey on the run as she kill her lover and her colleague for work. See police officer wey be say person go meet say oh protect me oh, na police now don turn to gangster. Now dem don dey kill person. And say when they see this man, Mr. John dead body, they don shoot am for head, drop him dead body put for there. And say this man wey even dey for this side, he just even resume work, he never even reach 1 year. He dey work for the crime office. See person wey dey work for crime office, he no even know say himself go come turn to they go turn himself to crime. See na your own fellow police, na him come kill you. And this one sef na your girlfriend, in girlfriend. Abeg o, e be like say this relationship matter for inside relation, abeg I wan even take talk for police people. E be like say don dey get corner because as they talk and they say for this Kenya, most police people they dey always fight. Their relationship e no dey stable at all. Say every day na so kata. I no come know as this one now don't they even go lead to death. I no know what even cause am. My people abeg make una follow me watch.
Described as a social person and one who avoided conflict by his colleagues, Ogweno was shot in the head on Monday evening at the Kasarani police living quarters, where he was in the company of his girlfriend, Caroline Kangogo, and an unidentified man.
One of them is a police officer and has not been seen. So we are urging the officer that wherever he is, he should come out and exactly give us the information. What we want is to establish what happened. We don't want to speculate about their involvement or otherwise.
And as we see, officer don't even jackpot. Officer they don't even see the officer again. See, officer of the law, you will be say if you arrest person, you go stay advise person, say okay, come outside. Say you do this thing, maybe they no go do you anything. See now, officer now I don't want. And the guy that said the last time when they see this man, they see this man with this girl and one other man. So it can't be like say this thing is set up. And say the shooting na gun shooting, no be say na knife, I mean anything that they use to kill this man. So it be like say this one na plan something. Or maybe this man, because they thought say this man a very sociable man. Maybe not going to do something for one corner. Now the love triangle don't come break. Now the auntie can't get that attack. She no fit take him again. Maybe now waiting can't cause her now. She can't use and say, okay, she don't overfear. She go can't carry gun. Shoot her colleague. Make we even come up colleague. Her lover. Now so love reach. At least you tell us, okay, oh, I no do again. This one way you do, he pay me. Because I can't reason, I mean, I do one kind business. But this one way you don't even do on the run now. Person don't even know. We don't know who be the next man. We don't even, they guess. See fine girl like this. If they tell me say this kind girl, go fit keep it, I no go believe. Forget that she dey do police work. But some people you go see them and you go listen and say this one, come on cockroach, they no go fit. But see person carry gun, a whole gun, kill her lover. She no even move, she still come around, come out. But until as it be, they thought say they no want arrest you. Say they just want make you come outside, make you come explain what thing happen. Your police people now they follow talk down, say they no go arrest you. They just want get information on how the thing they happen. I know say that one a trick. If you go come outside, they don't carry you. But I beg, what be your reason for this one? Where you go do? Go kill innocent person, young boy, 28 years old man. When be saying life just even start to the start. Now you can't decide say you won't go cut and short. And I just say the reason why you go come outside can't talk. You no go be anything. You no go even pass anything way past love. This love may be like say scam self don't they enter inside. Some people they go see him, they go enjoy. Some people say they go see him, it go make the love self even tire you. This one way happen inside it even tire me. Because this one way don't cause death for this person now. I don't know your own sentence. Maybe she don't the reason I say the kind of punishment where they will give her as it be said she said she be officer. Maybe it go hard. Now it makes you run. Even our family self don't come outside the beggar say, Auntie I beg go come outside. Come outside, come talk what thing really happens. If not by mistake, maybe they go hear you. And if not what thing happen, you come outside, come talk. I hear this one inside Kenya. I can't make her bring her come on outside. Make na service na ear. Hear everything they happen. Anything when I feel, make na don't forget to write them for the comment section. Make na don't forget to like and also share this video. I will see you on for our next video. 50 people just die inside one military plane crash where happened inside the Philippines. Philippine people be like say the way plane just they crash for this one aside now. I know they understand. Just recently, one just crashed, so we never even talk about one matter end. Another one said, don't they happen? We gotta say the Hercules plane, said the thing they try land for one Jolo Island for Sulu province. I've been waiting. So now that side, this thing won't go land Naija before they go see. The thing don't scatter. And say people who even dey inside this plane crash, they be newbies, that is new trainers, so where they just carry them say, may they go combat the Islamic militants. Be like say one kind of wahala they happen for that side. May they go help them sort out this matter. They say as the plane they try go say, make it go land for one place, and there plane blind. He miss road. When suppose land for one place, he go land for another place. My people are back. Make now follow me watch.
Grabe. How na? Allah Akbar.
Una dey see? Plane wey suppose go land for, I no can understand. Say na the screen of the airplane, this thing, I mislead them, abi na wetin happen? We even thank God because I say, na 96 people even dey inside this plane. But just some 50 wey even die sef, na just some. Say most of them, they even retain the injury, some of them still dey hospital. But abeg, una suppose work on top this thing because now, don't be like say, the thing dey really happen. And as they go doing their investigation sef, some people they reason say na attack because the first one happened. They reason and say okay, na plane crash. That one 6 people die. This one now 50 people. And I just say they do blood cuts. They use them these military people tell they do juju because nowhere where juju no fit start from. Because the way person go just they say I won't go save some people. You come from there. They no see wrong way again. I mean they suppose they wear glass for the plane so that the plane go they see road. Because I don't understand this whole matter what happen inside these Philippines. They don't do investigation. They don't see any attack. So what thing can cause this plane crash? Even then, when they do investigation, they say they don't know. Who me I want to ask? Now who I go ask because me self I no can understand. Or are they confused? So now I suppose work. Where the plane where they send from the US. Maybe the plane no good. I be something don't do the plane. I make all these kind of things they happen. Because you don't do too much. If one happen now, at least if say it happen once. After 10 years time, it can't happen again. We go talk say okay fine. This one just last month. You never even to take another one when they happen. People go they listen and say, oh, I guess something say some people they try attack them. Now what everybody inside the Philippines don't they listen say somebody they try attack them, somebody they try battle them. Maybe this Islamic people they won't go fight, now then they attack them. So my people are back when I suppose reason this kind of Philippines be a government or be a president, now suppose sit down, do meeting. Reason I'm say what did they happen? Or maybe the people lack the necessary training. Because they say some people say they even escape. So as this thing begin, they lost road, no they see road. And I dare some people even come down. But I beg as some people come down. What do you make them the rest? No follow them, come down. Maybe those rest people now, they never even gather the necessary training. So if now one train then these military people, make them know they carry amateur. Now when people will say they just start to learn military work now, come gather saying I won't carry them. People will just graduate. At least make them let them enjoy their graduation small. Because then this one they just come outside, then I just go kill them. They never even, in fact, they never even enjoy their military work. They never even, I'm not even sure say they don't even collect salary for 1 month to do their own work. Now they all of them don't come go die like this. It means that things they happen for that side. I beg, making a watch. People where they go join military, making a they careful because we will not go here saying I don't go join now. Something can go happen to now. So if now no say I don't fit join, sit down for your house. And people who won't go join, make the government put things in place. Make we not come they hear all this kind tori, all this kata tori again. My people are hear this one. I want to make a bring a comment aside. Make na say use na ear. Hear wetin they happen. Make na not forget to comment and also like and share this video. I go see you now for our next video.